In this video, I'll show you step by step how to reset the service intervals on Mercedes vehicles equipped with touchpads on the steering wheel. If your vehicle does not have the touchpads, this will not work. This procedure only works for the Mercedes vehicles with touchpads on the steering wheel. First thing you want to do is wake the vehicle up by opening and closing the driver door, just like so. Once you've done that, you'll see the information displayed on the screen. Make sure your key is inside the vehicle. Foot off the brake pedal. Press and release the engine start button once. The gauges will sweep. The vehicle is now in accessory mode. Using the touchpad and the buttons on the steering wheel, access the trip odometer and vehicle odometer. This can be found by scrolling to trip. Using the touchpad button, select trip and scroll until you have the vehicle odometer and trip meter displayed, just like so. Once you're at this point, it gets a little tricky. It may take a little bit of trying to figure this out, but you can do it. You're going to use the back button and the touchpad button at the same time. In order to access the Assist Plus reset functions, you have to hold the back button for approximately 1 second. Then, while holding the back button down, press and hold the touchpad button for about 1 second, then release both buttons at the same time. So bear with me here. I'm going to try to access this here. It may take a few tries, but I'll show you how you can access this menu. Press and hold, release. This allows you to access and reset Assist Plus. Using the touchpad, scroll down to Assist Plus and select Assist Plus by pressing the touchpad. It will ask you to switch the ignition on, so once again, foot off the brake, press and release the start button 1 time. The ignition is now on and you can reset the service data. Scroll down to full service and select using the touchpad. Scroll down to confirm service and select. Select your oil grade. If you're not sure of your oil grade, just select the one at the top here, 229.52. Select it using the touchpad. Scroll down to yes and select. Scroll down to confirm. Select confirm. And you're done. The service interval has been reset. You don't have to worry about those reminders coming up on the dash again. Once you're done resetting the menu, just switch the ignition off. Open and close the door. It just kind of clears everything out. Start it up just to make sure. And as you can see, no more reminder to have the service carried out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.